The Motorola Moto G82 was officially announced on May 12, 2022. It is powered by Qualcomm SM6375 Snapdragon 695 5G octa-core and the GPU is Adreno 619. It is packed with 6GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. The smartphone comes with a water-repellent design while the size of the display is 6.6 inches AMOLED. The resolution of the screen is 1080 by 2400 pixels and 402 ppi density. It runs on the Android 12 operating system. It features a triple camera, 50MP wide plus 8MP ultra-wide plus 2MP macro. On the front, there is also a 16MP wide camera. The sensors include a side-mounted fingerprint, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, and compass. Motorola Moto G82 is fueled with a non-removable LiPo 5000 mAh battery plus fast charging 30 watts. The Moto G82 comes with features such as a GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, Bluetooth 5.1, NFC, and USB Type-C 2.0. The dimension of the smartphone is 160.9 by 74.5 by 8 mm and it weighs 173 grams. To further improve your video viewing experience, it is fitted with dual stereo speakers that produce cleaner vocals and superior sound quality, even at a higher volume. The Dolby Atmos feature creates a powerful, film-like audio that makes your phone the perfect device to listen to music or watch videos. It also houses dual microphones. The smartphone is also protected from splashes and spills with its water-resistant design, which has an IP52 certification. The company offers a wide range of smartphones for every budget. It has always enjoyed a strong position in the budget smartphone market with its Android phones. With the new release, the Motorola G82 show us why this company has managed to bounce back with a tempting offering in its G series. The Motorola G82 specs ensure that you get your hands on a decent product for the money you shell out. This is a great, and a budget-friendly smartphone if you're looking to buy. If you have gotten value from this video, make sure to like and subscribe to Tech 5 for more.